Hello, and I'm going to try and do a burping video to see if I can burp today in this video. So, let's see how I can do with ice water. That should be a challenge, burping challenge. Is that even a challenge already? Burping challenge? Because if it is, then I'm going to be doing it right now, or at least trying to. If not, if it's not a challenge yet, I'm making up a new challenge, a burping challenge. Oh, can't burp right now. Can't burp tonight. I don't know why. I guess this won't be a burping video, it'll just be a random video. Again, because I can't burp. Well, give me a few minutes, maybe I can. Oh, well, I guess I just had to kind of drink a little water. There you go. Got it. Oh, there we go. Well, that is going to be called a burping challenge, and I challenge everyone else that is watching this video to do a burping challenge video, and it's just going to be a challenge where you burp and see how many times you can burp. I don't know how many times I burped, but if you want, you can count them. Well, like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends about this channel, tell your friends about my beauty channel, and tell your friends about my shared channel with Cat's Paw 2014. And tell your friends about Cat's Paw 2014, this channel too. And tell your friends about those videos, and have a lovely day. Bye now.